Vintage Woodworks is BC's heritage millwork supplier. Our specialty is providing restorations products for historic windows, doors, moldings, and brackets. We also have a large assortment of hardware for windows and doors. We use materials with both new and old techniques to proudly stand behind our products, many of which can no longer be purchased at building supply stores. We have studied methods of millwork shops from years gone by and learned that quality craftsmanship can last a lifetime. For beautiful heritage restoration, visit vintagewoodwork.com.